Hi, I'm Rambod. Let's see how to create a really simple moving platform in Unreal Engine. First, open your content drawer. Right-click and make sure you have starter content enabled. Then right-click again, select Blueprint class and choose Actor. Name it BP_platform. Open it up, save, and compile your blueprint. Next, add a static mesh component to the blueprint from the left-hand side. For this example, pick something like the floor. You can use floor 400 by 400. Yes, that's perfect. Save and compile. Now click Add Component again and search for Move. Select InterpToMovement. This component will handle the platform's movement. To define the movement, add control points. I'll start by adding 2 control points. The first one is 0, 0, 0, which is the origin, and the second is 200 units away on the x-axis. Once done, hit Compile. Let's add a third control point to make things more interesting. Set this one to 200 units on the x-axis and 300 units up on the z-axis. After setting the control points, change the behavior type to Ping Pong. This ensures that the platform moves back and forth between the points. Save and compile the blueprint. Now go to your third-person map and drag and drop your platform into the scene. When you run the game, you'll see the platform moving smoothly between the points we set. And there you have it, a simple moving platform ready to enhance your project. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more practical and concise tutorials to help you with your game development journey.